asked Kaisa directly about his drink. Oh, fuck! Holy shit!
There it is. There it is. He's probably gonna hurt. He's probably gonna get charged. Oh! Idiot. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Press down and come see how my investment was faring. The idiots in the taproom said you might be up here. That's a fascinating conversation you've been having, cousin. But it leaves me feeling like there's a few things you haven't exactly telling me.
It's a roundabout, dude. You have to yield to who's coming in.
And he groaned. Like everything.
Which is why I would have sideswiped you if I...
Why don't we start
No, I'm not going
everything?
to. If you're... I'm not going to argue with you. Have a good day.
Fatal honesty. I never knew any more beautiful than you. I have hunted you under my thoughts. I have broken down under
Thanks for being on Idiots and Cars.
Roses looking for you. I shall never find any greater.
The fuck? The fuck was that?
Oh! Okay, Garmin. Save video. You can go. What is wrong with people?
Oh, easy.
Oh, shit!
He's coming! He's coming! Fucking retard!
Oh my god! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
I mean, it's gorgeous. I would love it.
Wow.
shit. Are you okay?
Where are we? Oh my god.
Fall for a boy from South Georgia. She's got the bar in the palm of her hand, and she's a 90s country fan, like I am. Hey, I got a Chevy. She can
What the fuck, lady? God, dude.